this is Tina from Shabbydabbydoodah. Welcome back to my channel. So we are here for day 4 of our Advent calendar series. And day 4, if you saw the trailer, I am offering different things for sale every single day in my shop, physical items. And I did say that they were going to be things of all different price brackets. So today's offering is these Collage Masterboard packs. So I'm just going to kind of show you what you get. Now, a bit like the Collage Masterboard fun packs with the clusters, these are going to be on a potluck basis. I'm afraid I won't be able to actually, you know, put them out kind of, you know, per item. They will just be a quantity of 3, you know, 3 sets listed, and, you know, it will be potluck which one you get. So I'm just going to show you all 3. So this is the first one. So you will get 4 Collage Masterboards. So every set will have 4 Collage Masterboards. So this is the first masterboard here. Now, obviously, because they're masterboards, you're going to have stuff on the back of them. They have been made on, you know, offcuts of paper or scraps of paper or, you know, misprints, things like that. So please know that you are getting something which is not plain on the back. But that is the first one in this particular pack. The second one here. Again, stuff on the back. This one here, again, stuff on the back. And this one here, again, stuff on the back of it. So that is set 1. I'll just put that to one side. Okay. Set 2 is this set here. So they're all exactly the same from the point of view that they're all A4, you know, masterboards, and they will all have things on the back. But they are obviously all going to be completely unique. No 2 are going to be the same. So this is pack 2. Again, stuff on the back of it. Then you get this one. And obviously, you know, when you get these, you can then cut them down to be, you know, belly bands. You could have pockets. You can use them however you like. You know, they are just merely your blank canvas, as, you know, as I would put it, your blank canvas for you to then embellish and decorate up exactly as you wish. So that's pack 2, like that. And obviously, you know, the reason being really is because, and I'm not saying that I'm an expert at collage at all, because collage is quite a new thing for me. But, you know, I know that lots of you do comment and say that, you know, you don't do collage at all and you wish you could, or, you know, you wish, yeah, you just don't want to try it. So, you know, I'm offering these obviously so that, you know, if you like the look of a Collage Masterboard as, you know, cut down into pockets. So if I just kind of cover this up and show you, you know, obviously if that was cut there, you know, this would be your pocket piece. Same obviously here, that would be your pocket piece. This way here, that would be your pocket. And, you know, there, that kind of thing. So, yeah, I mean, obviously, if you're somebody who doesn't really do collage yourself, but you like the look and you wish, you know, that you had some Collage Masterboards to actually use, then, you know, this may just be the item for you. So, and I've tried again to incorporate a variety of colours so that you've got, you know, a bunch of different things that you can then play around with and have fun with. So, yeah, I hope that you like them. Like I say, they are completely potluck basis, so I cannot guarantee which one you are going to get. But, yeah, I do really hope that you like them. And they will be in my Etsy shop at 2 p.m. today. So, as with all of the listings for the Advent Calendar series, everything will be listed at 2 p.m. That's 2 p.m. GMT. I should sort of make that plain, to be honest. 2 p.m. GMT. So if you are, you know, wishing to purchase anything, then that's the time that it will be listed. So, yeah, I hope that you like them, and good luck if you would like to get one. You know, I hope that you manage to get one. If you don't, then please know that, you know, there will be things listed every single day between now and the, you know, Christmas Day. So hopefully, if you don't get something today, you would hopefully manage to get something perhaps later on, you know, in the month, in the series. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and good luck, and thank you so much. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks then. Bye.